Exciting feature available where you can load the web directly within the HubSpot account. So all you have to do is make sure you have HubSpot available. Right now, it's disabled. So you click on HubSpot. Choose the Vivant app. And HubSpot is available now. Now you should go to the HubSpot portal. So let's say now, I want to call this number. I can just click on call and call the phone number. And you can see the web phone popped up. You can just make the call, as you would normally do. Same way you can see the incoming call. For example, let's make an incoming call. Now there you go. Directly use the phone within the hotspot. You don't have to log into the portal for anything that you have to do. You can directly log into our phone directly from here.